Hello everybody and welcome to Pix Mux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a very useful program called OBS Studio. Let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. That can be Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. I'm going to use Chrome. And then you just want to type in OBS Studio. You'll see here https obsproject.com. That's the website you want to go to. Now I'm going to install the Windows version of OBS. Possibly later, if someone's interested, I can install on Mac or Linux and do a tutorial on that as well. So I'm going to click Windows, and you'll see it's downloading here in the bottom left side. Now that the download is finished, I'm going to click on it and click Yes. Click Next, Next, and here you can choose where you want it to install. I'm going to choose the default location. And I'm going to make sure this is checked where it says Launch OBS Studio. Hit Finish. Now that OBS is finished installing and it's opened, we can choose what we want to use it for here. We can choose Optimize for streaming, recording secondary, Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. I will only be using the virtual camera. Now you can change these settings at any time, so it doesn't really matter what you choose at this point. Most people tend to use this for streaming. I use it for recording my YouTube videos before uploading, but occasionally I do stream in a work capacity. I'm just going to cancel this right now. And here's the OBS setup. You can see that the application's open and all our options are here. To learn more about OBS Studio, stay tuned. I'll be dropping some videos on the setup, how to add peripherals and sources, and how to stream and record. That's it for this OBS install video. I appreciate you guys staying tuned and watching the entire video. Please come back and see my future videos on OBS or other software installs. I'm also going to be doing some more in-depth videos on YouTube, how to create videos, how to use OBS Studio. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Until then, peace.